Hi, this is the bar chart representation of installed power generation capacity in India. Here we have given some options for zooming. You can use the mouse scroll button. For pan, you can use the right click of the mouse, and for rotate, you can use the left click of the mouse. Here you can see by rotating, in x-axis we have represent the states, and y-axis we have represent the resources, and the z-axis represents the value in the form of megawatts. And you can see there are two buttons in the screen, which one is data and another one is reset. Here the data, when we click on the data, it will shows the chart which is used for this bar chart. Again, when coming to this reset button, when we click on this, the model will be reset to the exact same position. And moving further, the next feature of this bar chart is when we hover the mouse on certain bar, it will shows the exact value of that bar. Like this is 1027.18, and when I hover on particular bar, it will shows the value according to the bar. And next, for moving further, if you want to know the more information about the particular state, when we click on this particular state, you can see the power stations of Karnataka. Because now I clicked on the Karnataka state, so it will shows the power stations which are all installed in that particular state. Thank you.